In this video, we will show you how to use the calculators in the Police Credit Union banking app. To access the calculators, click the More button, the three horizontal stripes at the bottom right on the home screen, and scroll down to Select Calculators from the drop-down menu. Now choose a calculator that you'd like to try. Once selected, you can click on the link which will redirect you to the Police Credit Union website to use the calculator. From there, simply enter your information to get an estimated figure. For example, use the Loan Repayments calculator to calculate your interest or repayments on your loan by entering a loan amount and interest rate. There are many calculators to choose from. The most popular calculators can be used to estimate the amount of stamp duty to be paid on a new property purchase, help you create a basic budget, and help you work out how much you can borrow. Check out these calculators yourself.